Okay, welcome back everyone. We're gonna do some scratching today. We're gonna do the $1 $5,000 bonus. We got two of these King of Cash $2 tickets. We got a $3 Blocko ticket, a $5 Ace of Spades, went up to 200,000, and we got a $50 $5 million jumbo box. That would be nice. All right, let's get started. We'll start off with the low boys first. Okay, very easy. We just got to match this number over here. Hope everyone's been doing good. The weather has been ridiculously hot. A couple days ago here in Tennessee, we were at 103 degrees. At least at my house. I think the airport was like 101 or 100. It was like they tied a record. Okay, so far no luck. 15, and we need a 17. 17's our only shot. No, we're not going to get it. All right, didn't get anything on the $1 $5,000 game. Okay, let's see. What do we got? We got King of Cash. Get a king symbol and win that prize shown. Get a joker, whatever that is, symbol, and win 5 times that prize. Okay, fairly simple. We got a queen. We need a king or a joker, an ace, or whatever that is. Get a 10. A nickel. A 7. A 3. 8, a deuce, a 4, a 6, and a jack. All the way around it. No luck on that one. Okay, moving along to, let's see, we'll get another cash as king. We'll do that. Or king of cash. Okay, let's try it again. We got the queen. That's what we started off with on the other one. 8, a jack, another nickel, a 3, 7, 4, 6, a 10, and a duck. Nope, no luck on the $2 King of Cash. Alright, let's try our $3 Blocko. I have no idea how to play this. Alright, let's see what we got for numbers. Alright, 17 and 20. This is going to take a while. 17 and 22. I don't see a 17 on the... Oh, there's a 17 there. And a 22. There's a 22 up here. I didn't realize this game was going to be this long. Alright, what do we got next? A 52 and a 44. There's a 52. 42. Or wait a minute. 52 and 44. There's a 44. Don't see any 50. Oh, there's a 52. I'll definitely be scanning this one after the show is over to make sure I didn't win. Okay, 48 and 4. 48 and 4. Here's a 4. There's a 48. 40 and 4. No luck. Alright, let's go. Next numbers are 27 and 72. Here's a 27. 27 and 72. There's a 27 down here. And a 72 down here in the corner. Alright, next. A deuce and a 35. Here's a deuce. 35. Here's another deuce. No go. I don't see any more. All right, next a 54 and a 63. 54 and 63. Here's a 54 and a 63. All right, 43 and 26. Here's a 26. A 43 down here. And I don't see any more. All right, next we got an 11, my lucky number, and a 1. Here's the 11. Here's a 1. Here's an 11 down here. And that's it. All right. 18 and 21. Here's an 18. 18 and 21. No, don't see it. All right. 31, 32. Here's a 31. Surprised you don't hear the cats in the background meow. They're quiet today. Probably because it's really warm. And I do have the AC set kind of low, but it's like 91 or something outside right now. So all the cats are inside. Okay, I do not see any more 31s or 32s. 47 and 8. The 47. 47 and 8. There's an 8. And that's about it. I don't see anything we're even close on, so I don't think this is going to be a winner. Okay, we got a 12 and a 67. Well, this one actually just kind of got close. Well, there's a 21. I got a 21 up here. I think it says that once it surrounds the prize, you win. So actually, now we're pretty close on that one. All right, continuing for 67 and 12. 67 and 12. I don't see any more 12s or 67s. All right, we got to get a 5 and a 53 is what we need. Oh, we got a 53. Okay, can we get a 5? I already see it. It's a 20. All right, did we get a 5? I didn't see it. We need a 5. Okay, let's see. We got a 53 and a 20. The 20 up here. Yeah, we really need a 5. Yeah, this is going to be a dud. This reminds me of those word game ones. I don't like those either. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be a winner. We needed that 5. Oh well. On to the next one. We got Ace of Spades. For $200,000, we got a 42, a 48, a 31, and a 21. Alright, what are we gonna get? 35. A 16. 32, we got a 31. Got a 50. 29. 15. 39. 33. 45 in between. 36. 49, we got a 48. A 40. A 20, we got 21. A 17. And a 13. Boy, we're not doing so hot today, are we? Well, maybe we make up for it over here on these the $50 deal. Alright, should we do the bonus first? See if we get anything in the bonus. Let's do it. Got a rope or pearls or something. Pearls. A moon. A 4-leaf clover and a horseshoe. Alright, let's see what our numbers are. Okay, we got a 22, a 90, 47, 62, 18, 79, 59, 19, and 52. So our lowest is going to be 18, our highest will be 90. So we got a pretty good stretch there. First number 82, no 82. Next number is a 75. You hear Oreo in the background meowing. What you doing, Oreo? You gonna try to help us win? I hear you. I'm gonna get you. Alright, a 51, we got a 52. 77, we got 79. No 70s. 41, we got, that's a 90. Alright, no 41. 34. There is no 34. 27, we got a 47. Alright. 24, we got 22. We got 88. Pair of 8s. We got an 80. I thought I saw an 80. No, we don't. We got a 90. Thought we got a win. 71. 84. We do not have an 84. We got a 60. 38. No 38. We got an 18. 78. We got a 79. Go figure. Alright, come on, ticket. We got to do something here. We got a complete set of losers today so far. Alright, 40 and 45. We do not have either one. Let's see how I can do this to keep it on camera so you can see the numbers and I can keep scratching. It's not a bad thing with these long cards. 36, nothing. Alright, continuing on. We got 25. We got 52, it's backwards. 67. We got a 47, 62. Alright. 53, we got a 52. 48, and we got a 47. We're just not going to do it today, are we? Alright, let's see. I got 3 more rows. 17, and we got an 18. Yes, Oreo, I know the ticket's not being nice to us today, is it? I hear you, baby. Okay, 69, we got a 59 and a 79. Yeah, I know, Oreo, it's not looking real good, is it? 20, no, we got no 30. 73, no. 83, no, we don't even have any 80s. Alright, see how I can bend this card so you can still see the numbers and I can continue scratching. I know, Oreo. Are you hungry? I'll feed you in a minute. I'll do a really bad job of trying to fold this. The ticket does not want to cooperate. Alright. We got 2 more rows. Let's start from this end. 21. There's no 21 in there. 23. And we got 20. Look at that. Right in between it. 22. 14. 14. 14. Now we got a 19. I knew we had a teen in there. Alright. 86. We don't have any 80s. I already know that. A 16. No, this is our last row. Come on, Oreo, meow for us. We gotta win. 76. We got a 79. Yeah, already got you meow louder. We only got 3 more spots to go. There's the 70s. We're not connecting them up. I know, Oreo. We got an 18, 15 and 18. We don't have any 80s. We missed it by one. I got a 90 out there. Oreo, I'm gonna get you. We didn't win, Oreo. We literally lost on every single card. I'm gonna scan that one just to make sure of it. We lost on every single card. Oh my word. Alright, well, we're gonna do better next time. I'm gonna go get some more tickets. We're gonna do this again. Alright, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.